Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the connection possible. Confirm Wi-Fi or hotspot is active and both devices are on the same network. Open local share and grant required permissions so transfers won't fail. Storage and location are common blockers. Once done, enable device visibility and set a clear device name so recipients identify you quickly. Don't stall. Start a new transfer immediately and pick the file types you'll send to verify the link works. Now you select what to send. You can pick individual files or entire folders. Use multi-select to batch large groups efficiently. Choose the fastest method available. Direct Wi-Fi first, Bluetooth only if Wi-Fi fails, or scan a QR code to pair quickly. Start the transfer and watch the progress bar. If speeds drop, pause and resume to regain stability. Make sure recipients accept incoming requests and that both devices stay away. Finish by confirming files opened correctly. Open a sample document or photo so you know integrity is intact. If something goes wrong, first toggle Wi-Fi or hotspot, restart the local share app, and reinitiate pairing. This often clears transient network issues. If transfers partially fail, resend only the failed items rather than repeating everything. One key troubleshooting tip: check app permissions and device visibility. Most stuck transfers are caused by denied permissions or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.